do not spend the wheat penny that you see in this video. By the end of this video, you're going to know everything you need to know about this 1914 penny that sold for $72,000. So the first thing you need to know is that the first year they ever produced these wheat pennies was 1909. So this is a pretty old coin. Next, they produced the 1914 penny at 3 different locations, and you can tell where it was produced by the mint mark. Now, below the date, you're going to see a small little D mint mark. If there is no mint mark there, that means it was produced at the Philadelphia Mint, which produced over 75 million of these coins. If you see an S mint mark, that means it was struck at the San Francisco Mint and they produced over 4 million of those coins. And if you have the 1914 D like this coin here, they only produced just over 1 million of these coins. So when it comes to this coin, the reality is the supply of the 1914 D coins is really low compared to how much demand there is in combination with how high this coin graded. This coin graded at the Mint State 66 red grade by PCGS, and the highest achievable grade we can get in grading is 70. So this one is getting up to that 70 grade. Now do remember, it is really challenging to get this high of a grade, especially on a coin that's over 100 years old. But out of all the different types of 1914 wheat pennies, the 1914 D is the one you really want to pay attention to because there is the smallest number of coins minted for that specific mint run. Again, guys, this coin sold for $72,000. Here's a little bonus. If you want to sell this coin, this is how you do it. First of all, I would recommend at least visiting 3 different coin shops and getting their opinion. Listen, if they all tell you the same thing, they're probably telling you the truth. If you want to sell it quickly, I would sell it to one of the coin shops. I would avoid going to pawn shops because most of the time they don't have specific knowledge required for coins like this. Now you have to understand as well that these coin shops have overhead costs like employees to pay, rent to pay, and their own family to feed. So they need to take a small percentage of that profit. So you're not going to get the full value of the coin if you go to a coin shop. To get the absolute most value, what you're going to have to do is send your coin off to grading. From there, when you get the coin back, you're going to want to contact an auction house that will help you put the coin up for auction. And that's the best thing to do because you're going to get more eyes in front of your coin and you will get the full value. But there's other things to take into consideration like market conditions, when you're selling your coin, what type of coin it is, and so forth. If you want to learn more about coin handling, grading, and values, I have a completely free ebook down below. Just click on that link, but you don't have to do that. What I recommend is keep doing your homework and research because these coins are out there, guys, especially these high grade examples in collections. Don't miss out on a coin like this. I'll see you in the next video.